Okay, welcome. Yesterday we were looking at potential rejection from this level. In fact, not this level precisely, but from this zone here going down. The price could reject in this gray zone. If you check, there are two zones here: this lighter gray and this heavier gray. The price will reject, and we're talking about how price continuously rejects whenever it comes inside of this zone. So yesterday, price tapped in the zone, also respecting this level. Okay, looking at it in hindsight, yes, there is a setup here I would have taken a trade buy setup, but doing that would start tweaking the trade in the direction I wouldn't want, which is going from being an unbiased and unemotional trader to trading because I don't want to miss an opportunity. With that being said, the trade performed beautifully. When I looked at it, I was like, wow, wow, this is beautiful. Potential buys would have occurred here, but I was not very cool with it. This I was cool with taking, but then I was like, okay, Asian session will form a range, and then London will come and will push up. But instead of the Asian session to form the range, they pumped again, giving us new high. So what I'm looking at right now is to take buys for price to continue pumping up. And don't forget that price has traveled a very far distance from where it started yesterday. But all the same, I want to see price pump again before doing what? Taking that rest that is well deserved. Okay, so let's see how price prints today. I didn't go into details like I did yesterday to explain why price is rejecting at this level. So you do yourself some good favor by watching the forecast for yesterday, which is September 5, 2022. That was yesterday. Yeah, just go to the catalog of the YouTube videos and just check for September 5. If you're new here, don't do well to subscribe. You hit that subscription button, hit that notification button in the shape of a bell. Then the options that pop up, click the all option, all. Then comment, then like. Okay, so this is for British pound, Japanese yen. I'm looking for buys. I'm in favor of buys. The for sales that will occur would occur. Sweet sales would occur below here. Then buys, which is scenario one, will occur above here. So this is what I'm looking at on British pound, Japanese yen. Okay, now let's take a look at gold. Now gold performed beautifully in the sense whereby gold performed beautifully, but I didn't take this buy. Although I was looking at, okay, take buys here, stop loss here. As you can see, because of this zone, I was like, no, this is a supply zone. Taking buys in a supply zone will not make sense. Which, if you check very well, look how price was behaving before it eventually did what? Pumped up. This is the hopeful buys that we're saying, okay, if buys occur, we'll just hope that it breaks this resistance, break out of this zone. But that is hopeful buys, which is not very advisable in the long run. That is why I didn't take this trade, and I don't feel bad not taking it. Okay. On the other hand, the setup I'm seeing today is looking very good. So I'm in favor of the buys to take buys going up. In other words, sweet sales should occur below here. This will be for scenario 2. The buys scenario 1 above to break this high, and price should continue going up. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to hit it up in the comment section. I will do my best to respond as quickly as possible. So this is what I'm looking at on British pound, Japanese gold rather. If you have any question, do well to notify me. But do yourself better good by watching the forecast for yesterday and the one before that and the one before that, so that you understand how the market is moving from position A to position B to where we are right now. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at on gold. The next thing on my watch list, in fact, I love how gold has printed. Seriously, I just like this price action. So right now, a break of this level here is sweet for continuous buys. Okay, for more bullish momentum. The next thing I'm looking at is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in a range, so I'm not going to touch it for a buy nor a sell. Okay, not touching it for a buy nor for a sell. With that being said, look at what I mean. Price just keeps, whenever price comes to this lower level, it gets bounced or rejected. Whenever price comes to this upper level, the same thing occurs. But if you see, price tends to like form a stronger base here than here. That's to tell that there are more people looking to pump this price go passing to pump it going up, meaning those who always say buy the dip, buy the dip, this is around this level that most of them are staying. Whenever some persons have even created buy limit order here, if price just comes here, they don't care whatever happens, they want to just be triggered in because of the impression that even if they have to close it around here, at least it's a good profit. It comes down, they load again, close around here. It comes down, they load again, and up as in they're anticipating price to go back up here. So that is just one other strategy, but it's not advisable in the long run. Okay, so for Bitcoin, the overall bearish target is the 14,000 price level. Okay, 14,000 price level down. This is in dollars. So this is my overall target on gold if price is on Bitcoin if price is dropping. So this is all I got for today. Do well to subscribe, hit that notification button, comment and like. Thank you. Baraka Bashad. Peace.